Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, you look at deleting worksheets. We will continue with the same employees workbook to look at deleting worksheets from your workbook. So in the previous video, we added a lot of blank worksheets. Let's now go ahead and delete them. Deleting worksheet is very simple. Make sure you select the desired worksheet that needs to be deleted and then right click on it, and from the little menu click the delete option. Repeating it again, right click on the desired worksheet that needs to be deleted, click on the delete. You can also use a combination of mouse and keyboard. Right click on it, hit the D on your keyboard. So letter D is in a line, so that helps. It's a shortcut. So our hotkey when you see that menu, delete. Right click, delete. So let me delete a bunch of sheets here. That's it. So it's very easy to delete a sheet. All you do is select the desired worksheet that needs to be deleted. Make sure it is active. Right click on it and delete. That's it. Okay. Well, that's it about deleting worksheets, and I will see you in the next video.